defies all conventional financial logic. We are exploring a single 24-hour window that just entirely shifted how we understand modern wealth generation in the stock market. It's this fascinating, mind-boggling look at the sheer, unmatched scale of tech equities and what actually happens when the market moves in a way absolutely nobody expects. I mean, it's a historic event. Let's get right into these wild numbers.
Okay, let's dive into this, because this very first comparison right here, it really puts the whole crazy situation into perspective for us. I want you to think about the monumental, legendary wealth that Mukesh Ambani has meticulously built up over his entire lifetime. We're talking about decades of relentless business expansion, industrial dominance, you name it. Now, take all of that, a literal lifetime of building an empire, and compare it to what Oracle's founder, Larry Ellison, generated in just a single 24-hour period. It's wild, right? One single day of earnings basically matching a lifetime of work from one of the world's most renowned billionaires. It sounds totally impossible, almost like a glitch in the matrix, but the markets actually made this a reality.
To put an exact, concrete number on that one single day of earnings, we're talking about $100 billion. Just let that sink in for a second. $100 billion. Larry Ellison gained that staggering amount in just 24 hours. Now, to put that into perspective, this isn't some massive multinational corporation's annual revenue we're talking about here. No, this is one single individual's net worth soaring by $100 billion in the time it takes the Earth to spin around just once. It's absolutely insane.
And naturally, when you just casually add $100 billion to your personal bank account overnight, it's going to shake up the global wealth rankings just a bit. This unbelievable leap actually allowed Ellison to instantly surpass Elon Musk. Yeah, you heard that right. He momentarily unseated Elon to become the absolute richest person in the entire world. It just goes to show how incredibly fast fortunes can change right at the very top of the tech sector. One day you're number 2, the next day, boom, you're on top of the world.
So the crucial point is, where exactly did that unprecedented surge leave his grand total? Well, his overall wealth suddenly skyrocketed to an incredible $400 billion. $400 billion! And the reason for this is that he holds such a highly concentrated chunk of his own company. So his personal wealth absorbed the absolute full impact of that massive market shift, instantly pushing him into a totally new financial stratosphere. And when the dust finally settled on Wall Street, financial analysts and everyday folks alike were all basically left echoing one clear thought. Look at the power of technology, what tech can do. I mean, think about it. This wasn't the sudden discovery of a massive global oil reserve or, a century-long real estate boom finally paying off. Not at all. This jaw-dropping level of wealth was conjured entirely by the sheer speed, scale, and unmatched power of the modern tech industry. It's just built different. Now, the actual engine driving this whole financial earthquake, that would be Oracle. For those who might not know, Oracle is an American technology giant, long established in the software and database industry. They've been around for a while. But on this particular day, Oracle essentially transformed into an unparalleled, absolute wealth-generating machine. It was a massive wake-up call, reminding everyone of the enduring, explosive power that these legacy tech companies still hold. So, what actually triggered this massive creation of wealth? 43%. That's the magic number. Oracle's stock jumped an astonishing 43% in a single day of trading. And because Larry Ellison owns such a vast portion of Oracle, that 43% leaped directly and immediately multiplied his holdings. Let me tell you, it is a true market rarity, almost unheard of really, to see an established, mega-cap tech stock of this size just vault upward by 43% in one single trading session. Let's move to and see how this builds, because it wasn't just Larry Ellison popping champagne at the top. This massive surge created a historic shockwave throughout the entire organization. According to multiple reports coming out right after, regular, everyday Oracle employees who held company stock woke up the very next morning as overnight millionaires. It's just wild to think about. It dramatically altered the lives and financial futures of everyday workers in literally a matter of hours. And this brilliantly illustrates exactly what that felt like on a human level. Just picture this. Imagine an employee goes to sleep on a regular Tuesday holding standard company shares worth, say, 10 lakh rupees. By the time they wake up on Wednesday, pour their coffee, and check their phone, those exact same shares are suddenly worth 16 lakh rupees. Actually, scratch that. It's not even something you have to imagine. It happened. Literally, while these people were sleeping, their portfolio generated absolute life-changing money right out of thin air. Which leads us really to this final, mind-bending thought. If a single American technology stock can jump 43% in just one day,
single-handedly creating overnight millionaires, completely reshuffling the global wealth rankings, and generating $100 billion for one man in exactly 24 hours? What on earth could possibly happen tomorrow? The volatility and the raw potential of the tech market right now is completely unique in human history. So keep your eyes peeled and stay curious, because I promise you, the next big surge could be